Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to find the value for this expression. So expression is 4 minus 1 bracket 6 minus 1 bracket close. So what is the value for this expression? So let's solve this. So 4 minus 1, 3, 6 minus 1, 5. So 15. But this is the incorrect answer because according to order of operation, which is PEMDAS rule, first you have to solve the parenthesis, means the bracket part. Then if exponent is there, so you have to solve the exponent, means this is the priority order. Then multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. In this you have to remember this multiplication division both have equal priorities, therefore you go from left to right. Same for addition and subtraction also. Both have equal priorities, therefore we go from left to right. So here first we will solve this parenthesis. So 4 minus 1 times 6 minus 1, 5. Then subtraction and multiplication is there. So first we will solve this multiplication part. So 4 minus 1 into 5, 5. So correct answer is minus 1.